Hey everybody, Pilot Schwartz here with Montana Drone Company, here to introduce you to our newest employee, the Mavic Air 2. We've been working with the Mavic for the past couple of weeks now, and we've been really impressed so far. Between its 34-minute battery life to a 48-megapixel camera, it packs a lot of punch for an otherwise smaller drone. Even though the 34-minute battery life was phenomenal, what we were truly excited about was the camera. The Mavic Air 2's camera can capture up to 8K video footage and 48 megapixel still photos, meaning we can capture every detail of your project. Along with its standard shooting modes, Mavic Air 2 is also equipped with some other fun features such as slow motion, hyperlapse, and the ability to take 360 photos like this one of the cathedral in Helena, Montana. The only drawback we were able to find with the Mavic Air 2 was when we landed. Normally we catch our drones, but due to the slim profile of the Mavic, we'll be using landing pads for the foreseeable future. So there you have it. Those are our first impressions of the Mavic Air 2 these past couple of weeks. We at Montana Drone Company are always excited to share new content videos, so stay tuned. If you have any need for drone or aerial work, be sure to give us a call. And as always, thanks for watching.